Guys, you'll start your letter from the left side of the page, leaving some substantial amount of space. And then at the very beginning, you're supposed to write your own address. For example, 13 WEA Karol Bagh, New Delhi. And I guess this address will be provided to you in the question itself. So don't worry about that. Now, after leaving one line, you are supposed to write the date. Whatsoever will be the date, you are supposed to put it here. Leave one line after that and then write the editor. Remember guys, this addressal is very important. Most of the students tend to forget writing this thing and they end up losing marks on this thing. So make sure that you are addressing the editor. Write the name of newspaper, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then comes the subject. Guys, try to present the subject in phrasal form and not in sentence form. For example, subject, regarding the pathetic condition of stray dogs. Like this, the subject must give an overview of what is there in your letter and it must be short and sweet. And after that, simply put up sir. No respected sir, no dear sir, just come up with a single sir. Sir, through the thought-provoking columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would love to limelight the pathetic condition of stray dogs. The question was around the pathetic condition of stray dogs. So I have just taken the whole title from the question itself, limelighting the pathetic conditions of the stray dogs. Now, the first para has to be introductory, wherein you are supposed to weave the gist of your letter, what your letter is going to be about. Now, in the next para, you will describe the problematic aspects of that issue that you have discussed in the introductory para. How I pitched in my ideas. Stray dogs in our locality are ill-treated. They are harshly beaten and sometimes people throw stones at them. This callous attitude of people towards dogs is unjustified. Some people behave in such a manner because the stray dogs are filthy and sometimes disease-stricken. But we need to understand that dogs long for sympathy and kindness is the language that they understand. They must not be hushed. Instead, we must provide them with the leftover food and shelter so that they may not have to suffer much. Authorities can also help by fabricating rest centers for these dogs where they may go and take shelter. Now, after the problems have been described in the para, you just have to describe all the problems in the second para, which is also the main para or the body you can say. After that comes the conclusive part. How are you going to wrap up the letter? I hope you will publish my views in your well-circulated newspaper and help to create mass awareness. And after you are done with the conclusive para, just leave one line and just write down yours truly. You can even write down yours faithfully and then your name. This name is also provided to you in the question paper itself, so don't worry about the name. As you can see, like I got a note, avoid cuttings. Try to avoid cuttings as far as you can. In this letter, don't scratch the words, and even if you have to cut something, just apply a single cut over it and make sure that you are presenting the initial part and conclusive part properly. And if you want to know about some more introductory and conclusive line that will help you write an impactful letter, then please do check out my video. The link is there in the description box.